If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. Today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to get started making money on YouTube with AI tools, and even if you're not super technically inclined. In fact, all of this stuff I'm going to be showing in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer. You don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use a checklist that I'm going to be giving you today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything that you need to get started earning money on YouTube with AI tools. And this checklist is going to include done for you emails, done for you IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok posts, done for you images, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually used ChatGPT to generate. And we can actually drive traffic to these things that we can get paid to promote with these different AI generated posts. Now, if you want all of this stuff, by the way, all you have to do is drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll actually send you access to all of this stuff right now in a response. But let's go ahead and dive in. So to get access to this checklist, like I said, leave a comment and subscribe, or you can just go to digitalplaybook.com and click here to get free course and bonuses, put in your information, and it will send you an email with the checklist. And then here is just a more long form video that'll kind of show you more in depth about how, what, and why we do things. And then I would suggest joining our community Discord. This is where you'll be able to have access one-on-one to me as far as if you need help setting up anything, any more questions. This is where everyone is and where I spend most of my time. Have a whiteboard here just to kind of go over everything. So first is get the Google Sheet, and then next is you're going to want to select an AI tool. If we go back to the Google Sheet, this is a list of AI tools that you are able to sign up, become an affiliate, and then drive traffic to these things. And then when someone signs up, you'll get the commission on the rebill. But all these tools are free. So the two main ones that I've been using and promoting a lot are going to be Go High Level and Descript. Descript is what I use to record and share my screen, all that stuff. That's how I'm actually recording right now. And then Go High Level is actually the backend software that we're going to be using that's going to be allowing you to schedule all the images, do follow-ups through emails, and create funnels, websites, all that stuff. So to become an affiliate, let's just use Go High Level for an example. Most of all these AI tools, if you go ahead and scroll down to the bottom, this is where they have their link to be able to click here and then become an affiliate and then sign up. So once you do that, let's go back to the whiteboard. Step 2 is going to, or step 3, my bad, is going to be replicate content or create content. I say replicate because a lot of you guys, if you're starting off, you're not going to want to put your face on camera, which I completely understand. And that's where the AI content comes in. But also this is where my team comes in, where if we're back here on the checklist, if we go under IG Reels, these are Google Drive links of Reels that my team have replicated from other Instagram accounts or people that have made posts that have been proven to work, as you can see by the comments and likes over here. So all you would need to do is just click here or click one of these, download the link, and then you would upload it into Go High Level, schedule out. I'm about to take you through that process as well. Send traffic to the link. That is where this next step comes in. And then lastly, automate and repeat. So we'll go back over here. So once you click here, that'll take you to software, sign up for a 30-day trial. Now, the whole point of this is in that 30-day free trial to help you guys start seeing results. Because once you see that first result, that first person sign up for whatever tool that you are promoting, it's just so much more momentum, and that gives you that confidence that, oh, this actually works. So you sign up for the tool and you'll get taken to a screen like this. This is called a sub account. And just real quick, if you want real step-by-step, there's a course right here that literally goes step by step about everything, how to get started. So I'm not going to go through that because you can get this Google Sheet and go through that yourself. But let's go ahead and hop back in here. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have dashboard, conversations, calendars. Top three, or the main three ones that we're going to be focusing on, is going to be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, that's where the social planner is. That's going to allow you to schedule out this AI generated content. Automations is where the email automations are going to be. And then sites is where your funnel is going to be. So let's first take care of the automation, where you're going to be sending out emails. So right here, we have an automation right here that has probably 60 emails that when someone signs up for your link through your funnel, they get put into this. Now, the good thing, which I forgot to mention, is that I give you this whole snapshot, is what it's called, to where you can just import all of this into your account by coming over here back on the digital playbook, click import snapshot. And what this is going to allow you to do, it's going to literally import all the emails, import all the funnels into your account, so you don't have to do any of that. You'll just click here, import, and it's going to take you to the account. So back to here. As you can see in these emails, there is a link right here, or a hyperlink. And what this hyperlink is it takes the person to that affiliate link or to the funnel, whatever you're promoting. And right here, you see a custom value. So what that is I'm about to take you to settings where instead of going through and having to manually put your affiliate link into each of these hyperlinks, we're just going to put it in one place, and then it's going to auto populate into all these different emails or to wherever you have this custom link or the custom values affiliate link at. How you get there is we're going to go back to this main screen. We're going to scroll down to settings, and we're going to go to custom values. You're going to go up here, hit new custom value, affiliate link, whatever you want to be, and then you're going to paste your affiliate link of whatever tool you want to promote in here, and then hit create. I'm not going to do that because I obviously have one set up already. Looks like this. Oh, won't spell it right. Boom, right here. That is my affiliate link. So we have the back end to where when someone signs up or clicks on the funnel, they get put into that automation. So let's go to sites, and then let's look at some funnels. So when you import the snapshot, you'll get access to all these funnels right here. But let's just go to just the basic one right here. So what a funnel is basically, you got the call to action right here, and then a long form video right here going more in depth about what you're doing or what the tool or system is. Because if you think about it, a lot of these people are going to be seeing you first from your short form content, and then for them to be more intrigued or want to actually get the tool or whatever you're promoting, it's just been proven that some type of long form just helps them understand a little bit better about what they're going to be getting into when they sign up or put in their information. And then right here is the link or the button that sends them to that affiliate link. The funnel website, or I like to call the opt-in page. Then we have the backend automation, but now we need the short form content, and that's going to drive traffic and get you views. So let's go back here to the digital playbook. Like I said, we have all these done for you reels. What I will say though is don't just take these and directly upload them into your social planner. I would suggest going into CapCut, putting some music over it just to change it up so you don't get hit with like duplicate content. I'll make another video about that, about how to go into CapCut, do all those things. Or there's a tool that I use called Shinify that allows you to create AI generated content something that I've noticed has been working really well is like top 3 websites. So I'm about to show you right here as far as what the final look of this is. Now, if you want to get access to this software right now, Shinify, there is a wait list. So if you get into the Discord, I'll be able to give you access to that. Script right here, but like, just let's take a look at just like a quick video that takes no time because of AI.
Discover 3 groundbreaking websites set to trend. First up, ShinifyBots.com, an AI powerhouse that can work. DigitalPlaybook.com offers free access.
Awesome. I'm not going to play this the whole way through because I'm not sure if you're able to hear that. But look at those AI generated images. Look at the text, and it literally takes no time to create this video compared to having to get on camera, record, edit, all that stuff done for you right here. So going back to the tool or high level, we go into marketing, which is going to take us to the social planner, where this is where you will be able to upload all your different short forms and then schedule them out. So you would click here, choose your, I have a bunch of social media accounts I post to. Just got to pick one. Let's just pick my Facebook page. We'll go here and then upload file. And then you'll just upload whatever you download into here. Click that. Voila. You'll have it posted. It'll look something like this. Boom. And then you're able to schedule out your stuff. What I'd suggest is just start off with like a week's worth of content. Maybe every Sunday you go in, schedule out what you need, and then you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. And then once people start signing up and seeing results, you can start planning out more content ahead of time. So going back to the board, just to finish off, like I said, you want to go to Digital Playbook to get this Google Sheet. Select an AI tool, go high level Descript. So what I recommend. Also, all the ones in the top picks, as far as like Shinify, Radar, Pixels is a really cool one. That's how you're able to create just like AI YouTube thumbnails. Opus Clip, CapCut. Pick one, create content about it. Next, we have replicate or duplicate. I need to do that. We're sending traffic, and then automate and repeat. Now, I will say before I end this video, if you're expecting to start earning money within 30 days, highly unlikely. A lot of the people on here are going to tell you that, oh, you can start making it, but it's going to take you probably a month or 2 to start seeing results, especially if you don't already have a social media account that's built around AI technology, those things. That's all for today in this video. Questions, comments, concerns, leave a comment, leave a like, join the Discord, and happy money making. I'll see you in the next one.